YouTube channel. So hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm at Purgatory Chasm, and so it's an outing event. This is my first hike in US, and it is organized by an outing club which is sponsored by Clark University. So it's a pretty short hike. The path goes through these huge rocks. Being back in the mountains, it feels so good. सह्याद्री से याद आ गई. In Sahyadris, we used to climb, reach at a particular place, we used to have a scenic view, and then we used to get down, reach a particular place, we used to have a scenic view, and in this manner we used to reach at the top. But here it's a short hike, but we are just walking and walking. The path is through a jungle, and it's been like 30 minutes we've been walking through this jungle. There's no such scenic view as of now, and yeah, just going through the trail. Although I'm not enjoying as I used to enjoy in Sahyadris, there's something that's missing. There's no spark here. That's it. I didn't know this place. Chasm means there's a hole in the ground, and basically that was the place which I showed you before. So that's the only thing which this place is famous for. And yeah, I thought there could be a peak and there could be a scenic view, but none of it was here. I'll end my vlog here. See you all soon in a new video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.